In this video, we are diving into a topic crucial for every car owner: protecting your wheels from theft with locking lug nuts. In this quick guide, I will walk you through the simple steps to install them yourself and keep your wheels safe and secure. First, let's take a look at what locking lug nuts are. These specialized nuts have a unique design that require a special key to remove them, which is unique to each set of locking nuts. Without this key, thieves will find it extremely difficult to steal your wheels. I bought these for like 30 bucks each from AliExpress. If you're looking to buy locking lug nuts, just make sure they are made out of steel, as it offers durability and strength. Avoid nuts made out of aluminum, as they are softer and can slip easily when over-tightened. I prefer to buy locking lug nuts that come with two identical keys, so that I have a backup in case one goes missing. I keep one key in the car and the other spare key at home. To get started, you will need a lug nut wrench. Open the lift gate and take it from the toolkit. Step 1. Remove one lug nut from each wheel using the wrench. This will create space for the locking lug nut. Step 2. Insert the locking lug nut into the vacant spot on the wheel and tighten it with your hand. Step 3. Take your unique key and insert it into the locking lug nut. Make sure it fits snugly. Step 4. Using the lug nut wrench, turn the key clockwise to tighten the locking lug nut until it's firmly in place. And there you have it. With your locking lug nuts securely in place, your wheels are now protected from theft, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheelsGiant for more car tips.